Before the first rays of sunlight touch the sacred city of Puri.
Long ago, Indradyumna, he dreamed of building the world's greatest temple, dedicated to the mysterious Neela Madhava. Many were sent to find Neela Madhava. Only the wise Vidyapati discovered it. But upon the king's arrival, he was gone. Wait by the seashore, O king. I will carve the idols alone, behind closed doors for 21 days.
It has been 14 days and there is no sound from within.
Open the doors immediately. The idols represented Lord Jagannath, Lord Balabhadra, and Goddess Subhadra. King Indradyumna installed them in a magnificent temple at Puri, where
Millions gather for the Rath Yatra. Giant chariots roll through the streets. Devotees pull the heavy ropes. It symbolizes the Lord coming out without distinction.
Even today, the Jagannath Temple in Puri remains one of India's holiest sites. His story teaches that God belongs to everyone, and that true devotion,
faith, humility, and devotion unite all people. Lord Jagannath reminds us that divine love has no boundaries.
যারা এখনো আপনাদের এত ব্যস্ত সেগুলোর মধ্যে যদি পৌঁছাতে না পারি তাহলে আমার কোথাও একটা অপূর্ণ থেকে যাবে, কিন্তু ভগবানের